What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Spin Innovations, and we are delivering a customer's sand cart to him that we've been working on to 1UZ V8 Toyota V8 deal. Been posting some stuff up on social media about it, but haven't posted a whole lot. What he doesn't know is that we're secretly delivering this to his house tonight. So I've been talking with his wife. Not like that. Don't get excited. But she has met me and my son at the grocery store, and we're on our way over to their house right now to surprise him. He doesn't know it's coming. He doesn't know it's done. He knew it was close, just doesn't know it's done. So we will continue the video with his surprise and shock, I hope.